Good day, driver. So today we have a 2013 Nissan Quest, and I'm going to show you to change the oxygen sensor on the bank 2 side. Upstream sensor, bank 2, okay? First thing I'm going to do is just remove this top right here, and I have a special tool just to remove that. This is a upstream sensor, and this is on the bank 2 side, not the bank 1. This is a 6-cylinder, and I'm just gonna show you how to remove the oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor down there, as you can see. Okay, it's very difficult, but I'm gonna show you how to remove it. So the reason why I'm moving this sensor is because, replace it, is because the engine light is on and they give me a code. So I'm just gonna, replace it, and hopefully the engine light, came off. So what happened is that, as you can see, the engine light is on. So I'm gonna replace this. This vehicle is a 2013 Nissan Quest. It has 4 oxygen sensors. 2 on the bank 1 side and another 2 on the bank 2 side. Bank 1 side is 1, 3, 5 fire in order. 1, 3, 5 fire in order. 2 oxygen sensor. I change bank 1 upstream and bank 2, which is downstream. That's before the cat and after the cat. I don't have to touch those anymore. Now I have 2 more to change. See, the engine light is on, so I have 2 more to change. If I change this upstream bank on the bank 2 side and the engine light still on, I gotta go ahead and change the downstream on the bank 2 side. But for now, this is gonna be 3 oxygen sensors changing, doing step by step, okay? Just to get this engine light off. Alright, I'm gonna research the code and put it in the video, just to make sure you guys have an understanding what's going on. Alright, let's go. Alright. Well, usually move the cover in, you have to crack, so that's why it be like that. But just remove the cover in, make sure you're good. So we're gonna get to the oxygen sensor right now. It look like that. We need a deep socket like this, okay? I'm gonna put it over. Then we're gonna get, so if you don't have one of these joint socket, you won't able to pull out that. So instead of you do the extra work, you're gonna need one of these, okay? To make the job easy for you. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and attach it, connect. So what I gotta do, I gotta get another extension. Get another extension. Alright, and right now we're gonna just make a turn. Hope you can see what it looked like. So it's kind of hard, so we gotta spray some. Alright, maybe we gotta spray some WD-40 on it. Alright, so because maybe I had to eat, let's spray some give it make it rest for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start again. Okay, driver, so I got a longer extension. The best thing to do when you're removing the oxygen sensor, wait till the engine cool down. I mean, you know what I mean? Make sure the engine not hot, because once the whatever you call it, the exhaust is hot, it's getting harder to come off or to remove. So you just want to make sure it's cool, okay? Alright, so now I get it remove a little bit, so I'm just gonna disconnect the connection right here from now. So I have an easier here. It's pretty easy. So now you don't have to keep turning it with that. So what I'm doing right now, removing the spin it. That's what it looked like. Now we're just gonna replace our new oxygen sensor. Okay. Alright, go ahead and just replace this one. Usually I also test the connection. Alright, so that's tightened. We're just going to connect it right now. Alright, we're going to turn on the vehicle and see if the engine light comes off. Okay, driver, so after I connect the oxygen sensor, plug it in. So now I'm going to just turn on the vehicle and check. Usually also if the engine light came back on, you could just reset the engine light by remove the negative side of the battery. Remove the negative side of the battery for like 2 minutes and put it back. Okay, so we connect by the oxygen sensor, and the main thing about this vehicle, you have to get the joint socket to remove that plug if you don't want to do extra work. Alright, so let's go and turn on the engine. Okay, so engine light is off, so that's a good sign. As I said before, like if it came back on, all I have to do is just change the downstream oxygen sensor, but this will be on the bank tool side. Okay, alright, so hopefully this video helped. If you like the video, share the video and support the channel. Okay, so all we gotta do now is just replace back all those covering on top of the engine.